We got one more week before school starts. We get, that means 2 weekends. That means you got to get going if you want to get your kids out and about. Jessa Jeremiah joining us with some great events coming up this weekend. Let's start with kids and crafts.
Yeah, so I love doing crafts with my kids, and even better when we can get out of the house to do them because you have such a captive audience. You can just chat with them about anything. So there are two really fun ones, and you hear about paint nights happening. Most of the time, I'm thinking women and wine when I hear paint nights. That seems to be sort of the combo.
Sure.
This one, though, is for kids. And it's happening at Port Royal Sound Foundation. It's called Create with Camilla. It's a family art project this Saturday, the 12th, from 10 to 11. And you can go and make these whimsical jellyfish. So it's a mixed media art. Got to be 5 and older to participate. There's a small fee and a really fun way to just let your kids' creativity shine. Another activity happening that's a DIY project for kids is actually taking place at Lowe's Home Improvement this Saturday from 10 to 1. So you could do both if you wanted, because the second one goes till 1 o'clock. So this is a rolling toy pickup truck that the kids will actually get to use the tools at Lowe's. So they've got all these great little tools. They're going to be able to use them, no grease, but like just fun memories, and they'll get to go home with this cute pickup truck. So that's on Malfris Road in Bluffton, again at 10 a.m. on the 12th.
All right. Shelter Cove's movies have been terrific all summer long. About to run out?
Yeah, just wanted to mention that this is the last chance to catch it. This will be Thursday, August 17th. So, a little bit a ways into the week there. They have been sharing what they're showing. This last one is going to be Remember the Titans. So a great one to end at. This is a completely free, open to the public event. And it starts at 8:30 p.m. Pets are welcome. Bring your lawn chair, blanket, pillows, sit, enjoy the movie. There is a restaurant right nearby, and also the Kroger is just right there as well. So you could always grab some dinner and have yourself a little picnic.
All right. Sounds like fun. How about a rodeo?
Okay, we're going to send you to Rincon, and you know what? Get out of town a little bit, but it might be worth the drive. This is the second annual Rincon Rodeo. So they got all the kinks out last year, and it's happening all weekend. So it starts on the 11th and goes through the 12th. So from 5:30 to 9:30, you can go enjoy this rodeo. You can go early, actually, if you wanted to, because they're going to have a bunch of food trucks. They're going to have vendors all over the grounds. And then the rodeo officially starts at 7:30 p.m. so that after you enjoy all those fun things, you get the rodeo from 7:30 to 9:30. Kind of a fun little different thing to do over the weekend, right?
Yeah. We don't get rodeo much around here. A good chance to relive the Old West. I have still never ridden in a hot air balloon. Can I change that this weekend?
You can actually. This one's a ways down the way. I'm giving you this one in advance.
All right.
Because you have to buy tickets. Yeah. So if this is on your bucket list, go ahead and get tickets now because they are anticipating a sellout. That we're going to put the website up for you, hopefully. But if you're not able to find it, I found this on a Facebook event. So real easy to find if you open up Facebook and go to the events. It's called the Balloon Glow and Laser Show, and it's September 15th and 16th. Okay. So the 15th is at 5 p.m. and the 16th, I think, goes through 10 p.m. I was unclear on the times there. So hopefully we'll know more as it gets closer. But again, a bucket list item. The whole family can come out for this. Even if you don't want to get in the hot air balloons, there's going to be a show and some things to do. But you can actually ride the hot air balloons if you have the desire to do so. That is on a first come, first serve basis, but getting in is ticketed. So just a fun time. Outside of the hot air balloons, they're going to have a live DJ and lots of great artists. There's going to be vendors. There's going to be ticketed rides. So this is going to be a really big one. And I should tell you where it is. It's at the Coastal Discovery Museum.
Oh, okay, here on the
So a really fun way to just have fun and maybe even get yourself up in a hot air balloon. You never know.
All right. Thank you so much, Jessa. We appreciate all of the tips for upcoming weeks of great family fun. Thanks for joining us. We want to thank our viewers for joining us as well. If you missed anything at all, we'll be back in 90 minutes. I'm Bob Stevens.